here's a really cool feature to consider when planning your outdoor space. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a screen room. And if you're considering something like this and you're looking for a product that'll help keep the bugs out, maybe provide some shelter from the wind and the elements, this is a great system to consider. It's by Suncoast and it's a screen system. It's got a vinyl layer here to help provide shelter from wind and elements. This would be considered a more flexible alternative and less costly alternative to a equivalent glass system. So it's a great feature. You have, again, this is a vinyl sheet on here, completely see-through, looks like glass, but it's a lot softer and flexible. If you do poke it, it returns to its natural shape. It's actually called a memory vinyl. And then if you want more ventilation, you can just pull this system down, and now you have nice ventilation to the exterior. When you're getting chilly again, the wind picks up, you can push these panels back up, and you have that weather barrier once again. So it's a great product, something to consider. If you're planning your outdoor space and want a hand with putting your options together in design, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Have a great one.